What's a school rumor you heard as a kid that turned out to be true years later? There was a kid in my middle school class who was bad to everyone. He struggled with even simple classwork and was good at sports, but fought so much that they would hardly let him play. One day he pushed too far, and the whole class decided to mock him for the jersey he wore to school every day, and how he only wore undershirts and the same 2 pairs of pants, no gym clothes either, and a ratty pair of shoes. Turns out his parents were alcoholics, and he lived with his old grandmother and basically raised himself. He couldn't afford clothes and barely got enough from her social security to feed the both of them. We found out when a couple of friends found him sobbing in the bushes after school because he didn't want to go home and worry his granny. Some guys ended up buying him some clothes and helped him get some cleats to play soccer. My mom let me buy him lunches on my account, since the free school lunch was basically a piece of crap.